Good morning, my second graders. I wanted to quickly show you for today's lesson, you have a Nearpod activity, and I wanted to show you how to access that just in case you didn't know how. First thing is, you see this little code, you're going to need that code. So you can copy it. You can, if you're on a Chromebook, right click it, click copy, or control, hold down control and see, make sure it's highlighted. Then you're going to go to class link and you're going to go to Nearpod. Nearpod's down here. I'm not going to click on this Nearpod because it pulls up my version and I want you to see what it looks like for you. So when you go to your Nearpod, it's going to ask you for a code. You're going to hold down your control button and hit click V, or you can right click and hit paste. So, and then you're going to click join. And when you join, it's going to ask you for your name. You can type that in, and you're going to do the life cycle of a frog. So you're going to go through this. Did you know tadpoles can breathe through their skin? Frogs have lungs like us. So weird. All living things go through 3 basic stages. 1, 2, 3. Some animals go through 4 stages in a life cycle like a frog. So a frog is going to go through 4. All frogs start life as an egg. How do they start? An egg. No, not these eggs. These are chicken eggs. Frogs look different and for a good reason. These are frog eggs. They're coated in a protective jelly-like goo. You can skip that part. This allows frog eggs to remain moist and keeps them alive. What is that? After the egg hatches, the second stage is the tadpole. The tadpole lives exclusively in the water, breathing with its gills. Its gills are going to be back in here, similar to fish. As the tadpole grows, it develops legs and begins to absorb its tail. Look at that tail. Look, it has 2 legs. And it will get 4. Now it's in stage 3, the froglet. Once it gets those 4 legs, it's the froglets. So I want you to draw the first 3 stages of the life cycle. So you'll use these tools. You can draw, you can change, all sorts of things. The first one, you can draw some eggs, and you would draw the tadpole, then you would draw the froglet, and then you would click submit, okay? I'm not going to click submit. It says the final stage of the frog's life cycle is the frog, of course. Frogs breathe using their lungs, just like you or I. And then here's some more examples and more facts about amphibians. And this is write down any and all interesting facts. So you're going to go through this. It's going to load. Look at this. Look at that frog. It says view more by scrolling down or swiping. So if you're on an iPad, you can swipe. Okay, so before I go down, let me load it. You can click. It says by scrolling or swiping. There we go. Look at this. Okay, so these are just some fun things for you to do. All right, so you can keep going through once you've scrolled through all of this about amphibians. You can go here and you're going to fill in this blank. Blank is the first stage in the life cycle of a frog. Well, egg. And then you're going to keep going, fill them all in, okay? And then when you're done, it takes you to the end. All right, boys and girls, let me know if you have any questions.